Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have real conversation. Okay, this conversation is going to be a real one, unfiltered but a heart-to-heart on marriage, specifically what no one really tells before you say I do, and what people forget when things start to fall apart. This video is for three types of people. If you are preparing to marry, if you're already married and finding it hard, or if you are quietly considering walking away. I just want to share with you what I have learned, what I have seen, and what I believe God is still teaching us through this journey called marriage. What marriage really is. Let's start from the beginning. Marriage is not the wedding. Marriage is not matching outfits, vacation selfies, or cute couple hashtags. Marriage is waking up next to someone who sometimes makes you mad, but choosing to love them anyway. It's not about how much love you have when you started, but how much commitment you have when the feelings go away. And trust me, at this point or at some point it all fades off. The butterflies don't pay the bills, it will not pay the bill. The romantic text don't solve real conflicts. You need more than emotions. You need decisions, like daily ones, on daily basis. The truth is, many people or many of us marry or get married excited about the idea of love, but not prepared for the responsibility of love. Because love is not what you feel, it is what you do constantly when things are not going your way. That is what love is, and that is what you need constantly in the marriage. Now let me share something from a sermon that was preached by a pastor, okay, at a wedding ceremony I attended recently. He said women are like 10,000 chapters of an encyclopedia. The more you open, the more you discover. Well, when he said that, we all laughed. We all had a hard laugh in the auditorium. But I got to understand, and what he said is really deep. No person, man or woman, is fully revealed in a year, 5 years, even 10 years. Marriage is not about figuring your partner out once and for all. It's about learning how to keep discovering them. Curiosity and grace. And with this grace, you need wisdom. It's only wisdom that would teach you to be graceful. Because, see, marriage will show you shaky. Marriage has a tendency of showing you shaky. Right? Forget about the things you were saying when you were dating. Forget about the things you said to each other when you were dating. And an auntie once told me this, that marriage can't be compared to dating. Okay, when you are in a relationship with someone, it will never be the same the moment you marry. I used to fight that thought. Like, I used to fight it because I did not understand. I never understood. But let me tell you what, 8 to 9 years in this business, I over understand. Some people say she changed, or he's not the man I married. I would say, of course, we are all supposed to grow. We are all supposed to change. It's part of human life. You can't marry someone and expect them to remain frozen in time. But you see, many people walk away not because their partners changed, but because they stopped trying to understand the change. And if you are not willing to keep reading the chapters of your spouse's life, you will get stuck in a version of them that no longer exists. And guess what happens? You will grow apart, not because you weren't compatible, but because you stopped connecting from each other's growth. Now, let's talk about what actually kills marriages, which is ego and pride. I am learning even as I speak to you in this video.